Everyone, welcome to my youtube channel. uh, Sadak Jat. In this video you will learn the use of edit menu in Adobe Effect 2019. So now I will go to new edit menu. So this is the simplest menu of your uh, software. Like every software you will find this menu. So this is undo controls that you also be aware of this, and you can see history, undo value, undo new lex. You can check the history of undo value change. So now you can see all of our change. Redo change value. You can see that history will be changed. Now I will click on OK, redo, and I also redo change value, and history says that so this is our history. Undo change value, undo. We will click on this one by one, and also click on this and this. So this is our previous work which we have done so before, and now I will make new composition like this. I will make a random file here, like we just make a file, and you can see, and I will give the color of something like this, and I will give color so this is our main folder. And now I will click on edit menu. You can see that you can cut, copy, paste, and everything, but in this video I will clear the whole edit menu of Microsoft of Adobe After Effects. So these are very simple menu. Duplicate, you can make it duplicate. Now you can see that here is a duplicate of this one. Here is duplicate of this one. You can also animate it with different angles, and you can see that clear. You can also clear the lift work area, exact work area. If you can click on exact work area, you can just see undo. We can click on undo, and left select all. If you click on select all or control A, you will be able to select the whole object of your main composition, and deselect all. If you click deselect all, so you will be able to deselect the whole object which you have selected so far, and purge all memory, disk cache all memory. So it's all about the memory, disk, and catch up, and a team project. So we don't have a still create team project. That's why I cannot explain with you what is actually the teamwork is. And templates, you can also download templates from the render setting output module. And preference, your preference is used to the setting of Adobe After Effects, the whole operating system of Adobe After Effects. So that is one of the best tools. Or you can see a menu uh, and edit menu, which is preference. So you can also use control key keyword shortcuts. So you can see that F1 is help deselect all. You can also make it with your on setting. So this is my video about edit menu. I hope you enjoy this.